Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you are new here, I'm Brenda and I like to film vlogs about lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support the channel by clicking subscribe. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share the channel. Share the channel with your friends. We're almost done with VLOGMAS. Welcome to another VLOGMAS episode. It seems like we're just trying to tie all the loose ends of Christmas, such as picking up gift wrapping accessories, gift wrapping, more gifts to shop for, and just really trying to get everything prepared for Christmas. So if you watched yesterday's vlog, we went to Hobby Lobby, we wrapped some presents up, we did some random errands that were all Christmassy themed. And today we had a plan of going to a festival of lights, but it doesn't seem like it might be the plan anymore. I'm losing sunlight already, and to be frank, based off our schedules, we really need to get the gift workshop together. So it's a complete mess in here, and y'all know how I feel about keeping our home tidy. So I'm just trying not to let this, ruin my mood, but this is a reality because we're wrapping up lots of presents. So I guess they're just first world problems, honestly, but we're trying to have fun wrapping the presents. I'm having my husband helping me do more of the wrapping because honestly, he's so much better at it than I am. I don't know. He's just better at it. And so he has these already wrapped up, and I have to kind of add my little flair to it, like the ribbons and stuff like that. And then we're just gonna continue wrapping up more presents tonight. And I also thought about maybe doing a gingerbread house competition, but I just feel like, is it even a thing anymore? Do people even enjoy gingerbread houses anymore? Do they even enjoy the content of a competition? I'm not even sure. So I would like to kind of say what we have planned out for this vlog, but we truly don't. But just stick around because it is going to be Christmassy and cozy. We're heading over to our favorite restaurant for dinner because we thought, why not, have a cozy dinner. But this is not really a cozy dinner. This is actually a healthy dinner. It's called CAVA. If y'all ever had CAVA before, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't know, then I totally recommend it. I love getting the harissa avocado bowl at CAVA. It's like our new obsession. So we're gonna go have that for dinner, and then we'll probably grab some of those boxes that we need in order to complete our gift wrapping for now, because we're also not even done with our Christmas gift shopping. So there's that. There's CAVA there. Well, we've got the CAVA. We've got the goods. Was it cold in there?
Yeah.
I like to get the honey harissa chicken bowl, and I like to get extra crazy feta and extra cucumbers, and I like to add pickles to my bowl. It's so good. It's making my mouth watery. I love this restaurant. It's so yummy. Let me give y'all a close-up shot here. Okay, so again, mine has the honey harissa chicken, crazy feta, and it has hummus, pickled onions, pickles, rice, greens. Just such good deliciousness, honestly, people. Like, I totally recommend CAVA if you love Greek food. We're going back to Target to go pick up some gingerbread houses and to go pick up some gift boxes. And I'm also glad to report back that those timers, or you only bought one, right? Just one timer? The timer actually works, so no need to return the timer. Made it to Target. Are you gonna grab this cart?
No.
It's alone.
No.
Why not?
Yes.
Come on. No, but it's not all they have right now. Trash. Oh look, dude, they have more right here. Oh my god. Wow. Dude, they're right here. Okay, I'm just gonna grab one of these. Yeah, put the villages back. We don't want the village anymore. I don't want to do the. What do you mean?
I would just do one.
You don't want to have a competition? Back at the Wonder Shop because this time we have to pick up those gift boxes. And I think I spy with my little eye a golden retriever. Oh my gosh, 2 of them? Oh, there's only one? Oh, hello, buddy. Your ornament section again?
Wait, did we come here yesterday?
Yes, we were just here. Oh look, this is the ones that we were trying to get. You have the list. I texted you the list of how many boxes we need because there's more here. So,
One box for
of this size? Hi buddy, so cute. Hello. Bows here on end. This is actually similar to the one that I got at Hobby Lobby, but the one I got at Hobby Lobby looks way better. So, where are the bags at?
what?
The bags at, the gift bags. They're on the other side? That's all they have right there? Wow, Rico. Oh, wow. They have some right here. They're like $3 each. And a Christmas bag to get for a little gift that I'm gonna wrap up. I just want a mini one. So I think what I'm gonna go for. Oh, this one's nice actually. This one would go nicely with the white tissue paper that I've got. Okay, so I think that's Beach House. You can do that. It's up to you. We made it back home and I'm going to continue to gift wrap. Y'all already saw what we got at Target, so there's that. But I'm going to start with the bags because honestly, the wrapping, I've done enough wrapping, let's just say that. I'll do the decorative touches. Adrian, my husband, he can do the rest. Can't open this one. I'm just going to open it up. Easy peasy. They're pretty pricey at Target. I kind of feel like at Hobby Lobby was like the sweet deal over there. It was like 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and over here at Target, it was pretty expensive. So let's just say that. Okay. Can you believe a cane has 50 calories? That's crazy. So if you eat 2 of these, it's 100 calories. That's a lot. Yeah, you're right. I told my husband I'm craving pumpkin pie and hot chocolate. And I still am. It's just one of those things that, you know, unfortunately I won't be able to have tonight. How come you didn't want to get pumpkin pie or apple pie?
What?
I like, when it was Thanksgiving, I didn't have any pumpkin pie. Because there wasn't any.
We didn't have any pumpkin.
Nobody.
We didn't have apple pie.
We didn't have any pie on Thanksgiving because nobody. Yeah, we did. I made cinnamon rolls.
Yeah. You did. That was good.
Which was good, but there's nothing like an actual pie on Thanksgiving and on Halloween. Like that's when you're supposed to have pumpkin pie. I didn't have any pie. And I'm craving a pie. Who's gonna help me with my pie craving?
Why aren't you making?
If I make a pie, it's not gonna be ready today. No, but okay. That works. I did the pine cone arrangement tissue paper to this one. Just gotta add a gift tag to it. Got such a mess here. And since there's already writing on here, I'm just gonna get a plain brown one. And I'm just gonna write my special note on here. That
said stop.
I'm not gonna tell you to stop by the store for a pumpkin pie.
Why didn't you?
That was supposed to be your thing. You were supposed to understand to stop by the store. I gave you so many cues. It's like you saying, oh, you know what sounds good right now? A raspado. And I'm gonna be like, okay. Like, I'm not, you know what? I at least say okay. I at least tell you, go to Michoacana. I don't just leave you in the air and not say anything. I don't fucking say anything. I find myself using this traditional color more. And do we have other colors?